Hey beauties, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a powerful DIY hair spray and hair oil combo that can boost hair growth, reduce breakage and give your hair a natural shine. The ingredients are bay leaf. Bay leaf contains antioxidants and compounds that improve blood circulation to the scalp, helping reduce dandruff and stimulate new hair growth. We also have rosemary. Rosemary boosts circulation, helps regrow thinning hair, and can even prevent premature graying. And we have cloves. Cloves strengthen hair follicles, reduce shedding, and add a beautiful shine to your strands. Now let's get started on how to make this powerful hair spray and hair oil for rapid hair growth. Keep watching, guys. And guys, we are done with our powerful hair spray. You can store this in the fridge for up to 7 days. Now let's make our deeply nourishing hair oil. For this hair oil, we will also need the bay leaves, the cloves, the rosemary, all the ingredients that we use for the spray. But we will be adding olive oil, and olive oil helps to moisturize the scalp, soften the hair and help reduce breakage. It is full of antioxidants and fatty acid. We'll also be adding rosemary oil, which is optional, and rosemary oil stimulates hair follicles, thickens hair and can even reduce hair loss over time. And the last one that I'll be adding is vitamin E as a preservative. Vitamin E repairs damaged hair follicles. It boosts shine and protects hair from environmental damage like UV rays and pollution. So if you can get these oils, I will advise that you add them to your hair oil. But if not, you can just make use of the normal ingredients with olive oil or any carrier oil of your choice. And so guys, we have our powerful hair growth oil ready. and to be used. This oil can be stored in a cool place away from the sunlight. Now watch to the end to see how I make use of the hairspray and hair oil. How to use: apply this hairspray directly on your scalp once or twice daily and massage gently with your fingertip for best results. For the oil, apply it to your scalp also once or twice a week. Massage well and leave it in for few hours or overnight. To get the best results, consistency is key. Use the spray daily and oil weekly, and you will start noticing softer and fuller hair in just a few weeks. If this video is helpful to you, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you and see you in the next video. Bye.